All right, we've done Mara Tower at Sahara, but this is the Alexandria Tower, and it is cute. Sahara, Las Vegas, and we're gonna start off with the not so cute part first, the best for last, right? You got your toilet room right here, sliding mirror door, very nice, luggage rack, all that, putting your gear down. The twin sinks with the mirror and the shower right here, shower, and you got your, conditioner, shampoo, whatever. Come back around and you'll see a cutie in the bedroom and just soak it in. Look at this wraparound little lounge thingamajigger. You got the cutie in the bed watching her TV. Look at the decor. I mean, it's like almost fitting for spooky season, but this is everyday Alexandria Tower at the Sahara. You got this bench. You could have a guest sleep there and there. Big enough for 2 6-foot+ men to lay down with pillows. Move the chair around. You get your mini fridge, ice bucket waters. I don't see a coffee maker, but I especially like the curtain here. So if, you can make your own inferences about that. I like it. It's beautiful, simple, cheap, Sahara, Las Vegas. No shit, what do you know my luck? As soon as I went down from 7 something a spin to 125, I get a bonus. Gotta love it, right? All right, we're at the Sahara. We got 125 in free play. I was about to activate. Let's see what happens. One more. Oh, come on, orbs. Come on. Anything? Nope. Oh, the pots are good. Wow. So anyways, this has been Vegas so far. It has been a complete skunk. Did you see that bonus round, guys? Hey, let's go. $12.50 a spin. Hit it, baby. Lucky chance winner. One time. So that would be 5 cents, $2.50, $125 ball. I'm out of here.